And now for my next number, I'd like to return to the classics. Perhaps the most famous classic in all the world of music.
Hey family, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lavan, back at it again with another video. So today I wanted to show you how I spice up my old wash go. It was the middle of the week and I did not feel like washing my hair because I was feeling a little bit lazy. So as you see here, I sectioned off the front section of my head, clipped the back section away, and I'm just going to make a part going down the middle of that first section. Once I split it in two, I'm going to clip away the bottom section and work on the top section. Once I split that top section in half, I'm going to take one section and I'm going to apply my black castor and flaxseed gel to my edges, then apply a rubber band and do the same thing to the other half. Once both of those sections are in rubber bands, I'm going to repeat those same steps to the bottom. Once both the top and the bottom sections are in rubber bands, I'm going to take one section from the top and from the bottom, finger coil them together, and then apply a rubber band to keep them in place. So once I crisscross the front to the back section, it's going to make an X. I wanted to spice it up a little bit and add some jewels that I got from my local beauty supply store. After I apply my jewels, I'm sprucing my hair with a little bit of water just to freshen up my wash and go a little bit and to revive it. Once you are done, this will be the finished look. I hope you've enjoyed this quick video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.